Well, hello everybody and welcome back. It's Jenny and we have got a dub glitch and you know you want to know. So come on in, like and share the video on your way. Yes, let the video play all the way to the end, please. It is so important, even if you got to turn down the sound. Leave a comment. Another important thing. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Yeah. We need more crazy friends, always. So go ahead and subscribe, and that way you won't miss any of our deals that we get every day and this awesome information. Alright, guys. Holy moly. Let's talk about this one. Okay. It is glitching. We talked about this earlier in my video at the store. But I did not realize that it was glitching because I didn't purchase one. So let's have a look at what's happening. It's supposed to be buy one for $5 to $11, and then you're going to get a $5 to $11 one for free. Only it's not attaching, the free one's not attaching to an $11 one that I could get it to do today in the app anyway. But it would appear that you can get two of the Dove $5 ones, and they're taking 50% off of both, making that $5 for two. And that's a definite winner chicken dinner. The other way, it's $7 or $8 depending on what you're getting for two. Okay. So that is that glitch. And of course, tomorrow being Monday, you have that yellow 5 off of 25 any day of the week. And like I said, this is a sale. And this is a sale. It is not a coupon. Now this is glitching. If you watched the video from earlier today, you heard me talking about this and letting you know that it's working on the $5 one, and it's buy one get one 50% off. But it's glitching. It's a digital glitch. And what it is doing is giving you 50% off each one of those $5 body washes. So, you're getting two for $5.50. Or $5. Yeah, two for $5 is what it's coming up to. Alrighty? So that is a really good deal. And this is a glitch. And let me tell you what happens with glitches. They can stop at any time. That's why it is a run glitch. Not only you're going to run out of product, as soon as they find out about this, they're going to stop it. Alrighty? So this is a run glitch. You go do this glitch as soon as possible. Tonight, preferably, if not tomorrow. If you do it tomorrow, then you can incorporate it in one of your 5 off 25s and get you more than one pair. Okay. Now I showed you a couple of other deals in the store with instant savings. Okay, and they worked out really good. And here we have another glitch. I meant to show you this one in the store. And I forgot all about it. This is save 3 on 2 of the Herbal Essence. And they've got these in travel size, and they're attaching in the app, okay? In the app, they are attaching to the 250 travel size. There it is, right there. Okay? So that would be $5, $3 coming off, $2 for 2. Winner chicken dinner. Great filler item as well. Now we also have another one, not a glitch, just a really good deal. Your next one, it's like I said, not a glitch, just a really good deal. You've got these 2 different degrees that are on sale for $3.85. Okay, so that's like $7.60, $7.60, something like that. You're going to get $4 off of that, leaving you paying $3 and change for 2 of these. And we also have this new coupon for $2 on Schick with a $5 Schick men's one-handle razor and 1 refill for $5. Same goes for the Countre Schick for women, $5. You get $2 off. That's $3 out of pocket for either one of those products. We also have the Degree Stick Deodorant for $3.75. You got $1 off, making that $2.75. And if you use Old Spice deodorant, you've got to save $6 on 3, and that's going to be like $12.50. So $6 is going to be coming off. Be like $5.50 for 3. Winner, chicken dinner. So, okay, guys, there you go. I know you got your shoes on and you're headed to the store because you got plenty of time to do this deal. And I'll see you again real soon because tomorrow's another day and we got more deals. Yep. Blessings.